Hi guys, this is Ellen Weber, TinyTapper. Let me ask you this. What do you do to make your money? If you're a teacher, let me guess. You write a lesson plan and then curate all the materials or make them to go with that lesson and the assignments for that lesson for every class you teach, every day, every week, every month, every semester, every year until you retire. That is a lot of work, my friends. How about working smarter, not harder, and get your materials making money for you after you've just made them once? Turn your lesson into interactive digital lessons with TinyTap. It's a free app. It's easy to use, no excuses. Those apps can start making you money through TinyTap's RevShare program. They split the profits with you and you get paid every time it's played, just for making it once. Now, isn't that a smarter way to make some money? Yeah. So hope to see you guys creating some awesome lessons with TinyTap. Good luck.